We will guide you through how to make transitions on Clipchamp. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Clipchamp is already installed on your device before starting this tutorial. Double-click Clipchamp to open it. Next, click the Create a New Video button to create your project and enter the editing workspace. Then, click Size at the top of the screen to view the available dimension options. And for this example, select Wide 16:9, which is a landscape format for videos. Click the Import Media button on the left side to add your video files. Select 2 videos to use for this example, choosing clips that will make the transition visible. Then, click the Open button to continue and import the selected files. After the videos are successfully imported into My Media, drag and drop both videos onto the timeline and place them next to each other in the correct order. Once they are placed on the timeline, you will notice an Add Transitions option between the 2 videos. Alternatively, click Transitions on the left side of the screen to open the transition library. You can scroll through the available options to explore different transitions and see which one works best for your project. Here, click the search field at the top to quickly find a transition. Then, type ink to find the transition you want from the available results. Next, drag and drop the transition between the 2 videos on the timeline, making sure it is positioned at the point where the first video ends and the second video begins. Then, click Transitions on the right side to open the transition settings and adjust the effect as needed. For example, set the transition duration to 2 seconds so the effect is visible without making the change between clips too slow. Click the play button to preview the final result and check how the ink transition appears between the 2 videos.